Custom window installation in Washington, D.C. is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our expert team specializes in creating unique window designs tailored to your specific needs, ensuring a perfect fit for any architectural style. Whether you're interested in custom windows, Washington shapes, or custom window treatments, we have the solutions to meet your requirements. Energy-efficient windows in Washington are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our selection of insulated glass windows and window weatherproofing services ensures that your home remains warm in the winter and cool in the summer. By choosing energy-efficient windows, Washington, you can significantly lower your utility bills while contributing to a greener environment. Window Replacement Services DC offer a comprehensive range of options to upgrade your home's windows. From double-hung windows, Washington, D.C. to vinyl window solutions. Washington, our team provides high-quality products and expert installation. Our window replacement services ensure that your new windows are both stylish and functional, enhancing your home's curb appeal and value. Double-hung windows. Washington, D.C. are a popular choice for their classic design and ease of use. These custom windows Washington offer excellent ventilation and are easy to clean, making them a practical option for any home. Our team provides expert installation and maintenance services to ensure your double-hung windows remain in top condition. Vinyl Window Solutions Washington offer durability and low maintenance, making them an ideal choice for busy homeowners. Our vinyl windows are available in a variety of styles and colors, allowing you to customize your home's appearance. With our expert installation services, you can enjoy the benefits of vinyl windows for years to come. Window Replacement Experts DC are here to address any issues with your existing windows. From window frame replacement Washington, D.C. to window seal replacement DC, our team has the skills and experience to restore your windows to their original condition. We also offer window glazing services DC to improve your window's insulation and energy efficiency. Bay window installation. Washington adds elegance and space to any room. Our team specializes in creating custom bay window designs that enhance your home's architectural style. With our expert installation services, you can enjoy the beauty and functionality of bay windows for years to come. Custom windows Washington designs allow you to express your personal style and enhance your home's curb appeal. Our team works closely with you to create unique window designs that complement your home's architecture. Whether you're interested in custom window shapes, DC, or custom window treatments Washington, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Window frame replacement Washington, D.C. is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our team of experts can replace damaged window frames, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional. We also offer window hardware upgrades Washington to enhance your window's performance and security. Insulated glass windows. Washington provides superior energy efficiency and noise reduction. Our selection of insulated glass windows is designed to keep your home comfortable year-round while reducing your energy costs. With our expert installation services, you can enjoy the benefits of insulated glass windows for years to come.